describe the genetic basis of tissue transplantation, genetic basis of organ transplants, success of organ transplants, and skin grafts depends on a proper matching of histocompatibility antigens that occur in all cells of the body. Chromosome 6 of mouse contains a cluster of genes known as the major histocompatibility complex, which in humans is called human leukocyte antigen complex. The alleles of human leukocyte antigen genes determine the histocompatibility, that is, the compatibility between donor and recipient tissues in transplant. The array of human leukocyte antigen alleles on a homologue of our chromosome 6 is known as haplotype. An individual inherits HLA haplotype from each parent. The larger number of alleles at this locus ensured the fact that only identical twins have the identical haplotype. What are the symptoms of graft rejection? When the graft or tissue involves two genetically distinct members of the same species, graft rejection occurs because the antigens of the graft and host being different, the immune response of the host rejects the graft. The graft dies, decays, and is eliminated from the host. The host also reacts to the graft and shows following symptoms: skin rashes, fluid accumulation in spleen and enlargement, emaciation, diarrhea, hepatomegaly, anemia, and general immune suppression, damage in bile ducts, increased bilirubin synthesis, etc. Both cell-mediated and humoral immune responses follow in rejection. Give an account of immunodeficiency diseases. Immunodeficiency diseases result from a defect in one or more components of the innate or adaptive immunity. Affected individuals are susceptible to diseases that normally would not bother most people. Immunodeficiency may result from gene mutations, infections, malnutrition, or accidents. Severe combined immunodeficiency results from one of many genetic defects. One such genetic defect leads to adenosine deaminase deficiency. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, is another example for immunodeficiency disease. It is caused by retrovirus known as human immunodeficiency virus. Retroviruses have RNA genomes that are replicated via DNA copies. HIV selectively infects and kills T helper cells. The depletion of T helper cells weakens the acquired immune response and may even abolish it completely. The viral RNA genome is converted into DNA copy by the viral enzyme reverse transcriptase. The DNA copy of HIV becomes inserted into the human chromosome and replicates with the cell DNA. It may be transcribed to produce RNA copies of the viral genome. The RNA copies are packed and liberated as virus particles. The infected cell is lysed in the process and the released virus particles infect new T helper cells.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational